Hi everyone. Hope you are doing fine. Yeah? Okay, that's great. So today I welcome you all in Ritu's life and a new session for today. So let's start the story. A busy day for birds, written by Lucy Cousins. Tweet too, woohoo! So this is the sound of a bird. Can you imagine? Just one day, you are a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! So wow, I'm very happy that I'm a bird today, right? So everyone, today we are going to be a bird. We have to imagine the life of a bird, how they talk, what they eat, right? So the sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! So this is the sound of a cock. So cock shouts in the morning, right? To wake everyone up and says, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. So there are different kinds of birds with long neck, big beaks, short beaks, and then they swoop up, they just fly up and down, and they are so beautiful in colors, and they say, we meet the birds and we are saying, hello, darling. Swoop up and down, sweep round and round. So the birds fly in the air freely, right? They go left, they go right, they go round and round and round, right? We have seen that. Scratch the ground with your feet. So what do the birds do? They scratch the ground. When they are sitting on the grass or on the mud, they start scratching. Catch a fly with your beak. They catch flies. Birds eat insects, small insects. So they catch the insects with their beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. So there are birds who can stand for a long time on one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. So now a hen is saying cluck cluck and she has lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. So there are birds, kids. There are birds who eat snakes, who eat flies, who eat butterflies. So there are varieties of birds eating different kinds of insects and animals and birds, right? So open your beak and sing. So they even sing for us. Tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your bum. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with mom. So there are so many beautiful birds like parrots, peacocks, right? So peacock is so beautiful. Have you seen, kids? Have you seen peacock, right? So peacock is so beautiful with lovely feathers and she dances when rain comes, right? What a busy day you have seen. The funniest one I have ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Toot toot. loved it totally. And you also loved it, right? Because there were so many birds with their so many sounds, and we started with the morning with the cock saying cock-a-doodle-doo, and with the night ending with good night.